Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream caramel packet, only way. Mix sugar and water until amber caramel forms, pour into packet base, then whisk eggs, milk, and vanilla into a smooth custard. Fill the packet leaving space, seal securely, and place in a water bath pan. Bake gently until custard is set but still jiggles slightly. Cool completely, refrigerate, and invert to serve with caramel sauce. Combine measured milk and cream with warm vanilla in a saucepan, then heat gently without boiling. In a bowl, whisk eggs with sugar until smooth but not foamy, then temper by slowly adding warm dairy while stirring. Strain the custard to remove any solids, pour into the prepared packet containing caramel, and seal it carefully to prevent leaks. Follow the baking and cooling steps to achieve a silky, even texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes, and enjoy a quick recommendation. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smarter hands-free tidying while you bake. It handles crumbs and saves time so you can focus on caramel and custard instead of sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Place the sealed packet into a deep pan and pour boiling water until it reaches halfway up the packet sides for a steady water bath. Bake at a moderate temperature, monitoring closely and covering if browning starts. Remove when the center still jiggles and rest at room temperature briefly before refrigerating for several hours or overnight. Chill fully so the caramel firms and the custard slices cleanly when you unmold and serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.